Pre-existing conditions. What happens when people lie or try to hide certain conditions?
Well, I try to be very positive about this. I don't say that people lie. They just don't tell the truth about their conditions. It's very important to tell the insurance carrier early on about all of your conditions. Now, the insurance company is going to check. They actually go to a service and they check your medical history. So it's kind of hard to lie to them. One thing a lot of people they don't understand is that there are different types of policies out there. In group insurance, there usually isn't a question about pre-existing conditions. Most group policies cover pre-existing conditions. It's when you get into buying an individual policy, which is what we're talking about today, where pre-existing conditions come into play. And people don't understand why the insurance companies aren't going to cover conditions. They're willing to write the policy, but they rider conditions out. And that frustrates people, and it's just because they don't understand. One of the big topics that we see comes across is having cancer. Now, as everybody knows, over the years, our medical industry has made leaps and bounds in curing some forms of cancer, which is great. So, you're not automatically declined for certain types of cancer. So again, it's very important to have a great conversation and actually tell your agent just exactly what type of cancer you had, how long ago you had it, and what type of treatment. This way, that agent can look at the guidelines of the different carriers and actually place you with the best carrier that will cover you. And it helps when you have that dialogue with the agent to talk to them about pre-existing conditions.
Yeah, a lot of people believe because we do these applications over the phone or online that they can get away with hiding some of the truth in their health history. It's very important for people to understand that we need our clients to be open and honest with us and build a relationship and trust us that they can be confident and disclose and fully disclose all their health information, because any non-disclosure on an application alone could get them declined. Some people feel that they need to hide some information from an agent when it's best to disclose any health condition, as minor as it may sound, as breaking your small finger, to as major as having high blood pressure or cholesterol. If we don't know, the non-disclosure can get you denied, or the insurance company can deny a claim for a person trying to falsify information on an application. So,
and other penalties as well.
Right, so it's very important that they're open and honest with these agents about that.
One thing in this industry, I mean, we've always been taught is that small claims, and you've lied about something in your policy, you may get away with it because it's a small claim and we're not talking about a large dollar. But Murphy's Law, the first time you have a large claim and you haven't divulged everything to your agent, now they go back and look at medical history and they see that actually there was a problem that you didn't disclose. They can actually, an insurance company can press charges. They can refund all of your premiums and make you responsible for the total amount of those claims. And if they want to go a little bit farther, they can actually press charges for fraud. And that's not a good thing. So any good agent, professional agent that you talk to is going to recommend that you be very honest and tell everything about your health history up front.